More relief supplies have been allocated to the quake-hit Gansu and Qinghai provinces in northwest China, the Ministry of Emergency Management said Wednesday. Some 135,500 relief items such as cotton tents, rollaway beds, quilts, and heaters have been sent to the two provinces to support the basic needs of those affected by the earthquake, according to the ministry. On Wednesday, at a warehouse run by the Red Cross Society of China Sichuan branch, disaster relief materials awaited delivery to the quake-stricken region in Gansu.
我们的队员已经20多小时没有合眼了，还有很多队员正在赶来的路上。
这批货最迟就是明天傍晚能送到灾区。
Many enterprises have also donated relief items, including fresh vegetables, instant food, bread, and heating pads.
截至目前，我们大雨节水汽车、抗震物资已全部抵达灾区，希望我们的支援能给灾区人民带来信心和力量。
A 6.2 magnitude earthquake jolted a county in Gansu at midnight Monday. As of Wednesday morning, more than 130 people have died in the quake and hundreds more were injured.